What's up guys, my name is Abdul Nafi and welcome back to a brand new course. And in this one we're going to be learning how to make realistic product visualization animations inside of Blender 3D. Now we're going to be making three main scenes in this course, and the first one is going to be a perfume scene in which we're going to be creating a whole scene with the perfume. We're going to be importing all the models, we're going to be adding all the assets, we're going to be building the whole scene, doing all the lighting, doing all the texturing, and then we're going to be animating as well. We're going to be animating the camera. We're going to make like a cool little reveal animation. After that, we're going to be making another variation of the perfume render, which is going to teach you some more advanced lighting techniques and how to sort of make your renders pop. After that, we're going to be moving on to the next scene, which is going to be a watch scene in which we're going to be importing a model of a watch. We're going to be texturing the model, we're going to be lighting the scene, and we're going to be making a very good reveal animation of the watch. After that, we're also going to be editing the render inside of Premiere Pro, right? So if you want to learn how to make realistic animations, realistic reveal animations of different sorts of products, which is really in demand right now, so you don't want to miss this one, and you're going to learn a lot in this. After that, we're going to be making a similar animation of a MacBook this time. So for all those people who are into tech products and who want to make reveal animations of, let's say, Apple products or something like that, this one's for you. We're going to be creating a lighting setup from scratch, similar to one you would see in maybe like an Apple commercial. We're going to be creating a whole animation from that, and finally we're going to be rendering it and editing it inside of Premiere Pro, right? So if you're into Blender 3D and you want to take your product visualization game to the next level, then this course is going to be perfect for you. So I don't know what you're waiting for, just enroll now and I'll see you in class.